Okay, you're going to open this file and you're going to take a look at the example. There's a couple pieces of information that you got to be aware of, and just remember that this house is a total of 48 by 28. Don't worry about the porch. We're going to try to lay out the walls today. All right, we're going to ignore the fireplace. We're going to try to get some windows in and try to establish these bedrooms. And these bedrooms are 12 by 14. So 12 going to the width, and then 14 deep. This one's 12 by 10, and this one's 12 foot wide by 10 foot tall. So I'm going to use a brick on the outside all the way around. You can use siding or brick. It does not matter to me. I'm going to click here, and we're going to go ahead and I'm going to change my wall type to brick. I'm going to come over. I'm going to select 48, enter. I'm going to come down, and it's 28, enter, and it's 48, enter. And I'm going to come up. It's 28. So there's the basics of our house. Okay, it's going to be close enough. Does not have to be perfect. All right. When I clicked on that, though, it looks like it does not look like 48, does it? It looks like 37. So remember, whatever I click on is blue, you can move that up. And then we want to see what this was here, 47'4". I'm just going to type. Remember, whatever wall is blue is going to move. Whatever is not blue is good. All right, we're going to change the wall. We're going to double check that this is all, the walls are on the outside, okay? And then we're going to change our wall to interior 4.5 inch D south. So we're going to click over here, interior 4.5 inch D south. And this wall, if you remember, there's a bedroom over here that I said was like 12 by 10. And then there's another one on the bottom. And I'm just going to kind of lay out closely what it looked like. Okay, where right here. So this was 12 by 14. This one is 12 by 10, and that does not include the closets. So we said 12 foot wide. I'm going to click on here and see what that number is. It was 12. Then this number here is supposed to be around 14. Okay. There was another bedroom down in the bottom. I'm going to do another wall. That's the interior. And this was 12 by 10. So it came over here. It was 12 wide. And then it was 10 this way. We're going to double check that. This wall is supposed to be 10. And this wall here is supposed to be 12. Then there's another bedroom right next to it. We're going to take a look at that real quick. And then there was another one that was 12 foot wide by 10 foot tall. And they share that wall right there. So we'll go ahead and we'll try to get this one to work. I'm just going to draw another wall that's right over here. Going to come up a little bit and we'll have it come over. Not perfect, nor do I need it to be perfect at this point. We said it's going to be 12 foot wide. We're going to use the align command. We're going to tell this wall to either move down, or we're going to put a dimension on it and tell it to move to 10 foot. It automatically gets aligned. All right, there's some other things going on here. There's some windows and doors, but for right now, if we can get these 3 walls in, we're in pretty good shape. We'll go back and we'll do the rest of this when we get back to school.